Hey everyone, we're Tom and Bunny from TomandBunny.com, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing.
Now, if you know and follow our social media, you know that we are great supporters of Motorbunny.
And they're great supporters of us.
Yes, they are. So in case you don't know about the Motorbunny, let's just say it is a marital aid with lots of power.
It's on steroids.
Yes.
Now, Bunny is, because of our videos, she has tried a lot of different aids.
Yes.
And Motorbunny has satisfied all her expectations and then some. And she always refers people to Motorbunny.
And you know the great thing about Motorbunny, not only does it come with a regular controller, they do have an app that you can put it on your phone. So therefore, somebody else could be across the country and controlling it for you.
That's true.
Yes.
So, if you are interested in motor bunnies or want more information, check out Motorbunny.com. But meanwhile, we are going to unbox this.
All right. So we're going to unbox it off camera so we don't
Bore you.
bore you. Yes.
We'll be right back. And we're back.
So we've got it all unboxed, and this is their new cruiser pack.
Now, one thing, it did come in two pieces. The bottom roller and handle mechanism, I snapped it all together and it comes apart. So I just wanted to clarify that.
Now you can actually use this bag 3 different ways. So you can use it on your on the wheels.
Yep.
You have a handle strap that you can use, and also a shoulder, so you can carry it over your shoulder, which is very, very convenient.
And the handle pulls up.
And the handle does pull up to adjust to your height levels. The other thing too that it comes with are 4 little padlocks.
That's kind of cool.
It is. It makes it very, very handy.
Right.
This one actually comes, I believe, in 3 colors. We chose the gray. They have black, and they have a really, really cool hot pink one, but
I wasn't going to walk around with the hot pink one.
now,
That meant Bunny would have had to carry that thing around, and I'm not going to let her do that. These
No.
things are heavy.
Now, in the past, we did have the hard case, which is perfect
We
for...
still have the hard case.
We do have the hard case, and it's perfect for, you know, storing and everything, but it doesn't have a lot of room. Now, this has a lot of room.
Right.
So with the hard case, we had to carry that, and we had to carry another bag to go with it for all of the attachments. Now this one, if you see here, it's got a pouch over
It has 3 pouches on the side.
on the sides.
Well, 1 on each side, and then 1 big one in the front.
Now, let's open this bad boy up. Unzip.
I guess we could have unzipped it. To save
So
time.
you're going to open this up. Now the other thing that's very, very handy is it has an additional pouch in the inside. So you can unzip this, you can put all of your...
You can pull your attachments off and put them right inside here.
Now this particular case can carry up to 12 of your different attachments.
Now keep in mind, we're only showing 1 attachment with the Motorbunny Buck. We do have the original and the Motorbunny Buck. We're trying to keep it all PG, so we're not pulling out all the attachments. So unfortunately, you can go to Motorbunny.com and you could see all their attachments for both units.
Yeah, so it's really great. You can put your attachments in here, and this is the part that I really like. So if you look right here, you've got an added little extra space that you can put even more stuff on. But if you open this up,
Take it all the way out.
take it all the way out, and you can see in there, that's where your Motorbunny Buck is going to ride, or your regular Motorbunny.
It fits the Buck and the original.
So then you put that in there. It has straps to strap
Well,
it down and make it nice and
Let me throw this in here
secure.
real quick. See, it fits right down in there. And then it has straps to hold it. I'm just not doing that this second. And then this Velcros right back in over the top of it.
So you can actually put even some more attachments and
Or you
everything
can
up
put
there.
this in there.
You can put that in there, but what's also very handy about that, you can zip this all back up, and this can also ride up here. So you have multiple uses
Right.
on this.
So your attachments would ride in here. Your power cord and your controller would usually go in one of the pouches. In another pouch, you could put lubes, condoms, toy cleaners, and in another pouch, you could put in, as we go around, we take our motor bunnies to events all over the nation, so we would put advertisement stuff in there, cards on how to contact us, as well as motor bunny cards.
The other thing that you could really do too is if you're going out for an overnighter, you can put all your attachments in here. You can put all your lingerie in here.
Oh, there you go.
So then you're all set.
And a lot of times people, when we do the motor bunny, we put towels down for people's knees so they're not on hard surfaces, unless there's carpet or something. But you could put a waterproof blanket in there too.
That's absolutely perfect, yes.
Yes. There's a lot of ideas. This did come in a backpack version, and it came in the roller version. With as much walking as we do, the backpack, it was going to kill my back. And then if we got stopped and talking to people, I'd have to take it off, put it on, take it off. This will allow us to wheel through an event and set up, tear down, and wheel back through and be comfortable.
Now the great thing about the backpack is if you do travel with it, the backpack version can be used as an overhead bin, so it can be used as a carry-on.
Yes. Now the backpack version does have a little more storage compartments, but this one here I think is going to be way more storage than we're going to need.
The backpack actually does have a lot of different zipper pouches, but it doesn't have the capacity level as this.
Exactly.
So this one obviously cannot be used as a carry-on, but it can also be checked.
Correct.
So they are safe to fly, although I don't think I would want to fly with a soft case knowing the airlines.
Right.
But it is there if you like that option.
Now if you have a motor bunny at your house or anywhere and it's just you keep it in a closet or something, these are a great way to store it where it actually will keep the motor bunny in great condition all year long.
Right. We have found in the past that regular bins do not work very well.
Yeah, because we have two motor bunnies, we have one hard case, so the other one we kept in a plastic bin, and it doesn't hold well when there's, it's not compartmentalized.
Yes. So this is an absolute perfect.
And it has the Motor Bunny logo on the front. And it looks like the logo is Velcro, so if you want to take it off for discretion,
Exactly.
you could do that. Unless you're us and you put a neon Motor Bunny sign in your home bar.
So like I said, this is the absolute perfect to add to your toy collection.
Right. And a lot of people, they buy Motor Bunnies to share at events and parties, so it makes it more common sense to have something that's designed for your motor bunny instead of using a carry-on suitcase or putting it in a box.
Well, and what I like about it is I can just wheel it in the closet, put it over there, and it's discreet. And if somebody's going through your closet or picking things out, they're not going to just grab it and open it.
Just remember to take Motor Bunny. We'll leave ours on proudly.
Unless your children think it's a rolling backpack.
Right.
or ice chest, then you might have a little issue.
So go to motorbunny.com and they have all the different colors and styles. They got the backpack and the roller version. They also have the hard road cases, I call it. That's the one that can get banged around.
And we have flown with that one.
Yes.
It is very, very durable. It also has wheels in an extending handle. So you can definitely get through all your locations with that one too. This one just holds a lot more and it is a lighter version.
We're very excited about this one.
Yeah. We get to take this one out for our first trip starting on the end of May.
The end of May.
Mhm.
So we'll be taking it to Sooner Swing with Tulsa, Oklahoma, the On the Border group.
Yeah, so if you guys want to come on out and give it a try, keep an eye on our schedule. We will be out and about quite a bit this summer.
Yep, and we'll be bringing the Motorbunny with us and demonstrating, you know, what we say is try before you buy.
Absolutely.
And so far, most everyone's bought, so.
And if you do go to Motorbunny and you buy something, let them know that Tom and Bunny referred you.
Yeah, and we're going to do another video on Motorbunny on some of the attachments.
Yes, we are.
All right, so check out motorbunny.com. They got attachments, they got the buck, they got the original, they got bags, backpack, and hard cases, but they got everything.
All for your needs.
And you can control your Motorbunnies from your phone.
Yes, you can.
All right, until next time, thank you, Motorbunny, and we do appreciate it. We are avid fans of Motorbunny.
Yes, and we will see you guys soon.
We'll see you soon.